It was a beautiful Sunday morning. Nobody knew that a small, dusty map hidden beneath the bench would lead this happy family on the greatest adventure of their lives. The old map revealed a hidden trail deep inside the forest. A shining treasure mark filled everyone's hearts with excitement and endless curiosity. Every adventure begins with good preparation. Together they packed everything they needed and confidently started their exciting journey toward the mysterious forest. The peaceful forest welcomed them with singing birds, colorful butterflies, and warm sunshine, making every step feel more magical than the last. The mysterious symbol matched the map perfectly. Smiling with excitement, the family followed the hidden trail, ready for whatever adventure awaited them next. A gentle stream blocked their path, but together they crossed the old bridge safely, proving that teamwork makes every challenge easier. Strange footprints appeared on the forest floor. Curious and excited, the family carefully followed the mysterious trail together. The ancient tree guarded a glowing wooden box, hiding another secret that brought the family one step closer to the treasure. The golden compass revealed their next direction. Every clue brought new hope and greater excitement for the adventure ahead. Behind the roaring waterfall, a hidden cave quietly waited. The family's greatest discovery was about to begin. Beyond the waterfall, the hidden cave welcomed them with mystery. Every step echoed through the silent darkness. The glowing crystals lit the cave like tiny stars, filling every corner with magical colors and wonder. Working together, they solved the ancient puzzle. Teamwork unlocked the next secret hidden inside the cave. The ancient door slowly opened, revealing a hidden passage that had remained untouched for many years. At last, the hidden treasure room appeared before them. Their incredible adventure was almost complete.
Wow!
With one gentle push, the ancient chest opened. A warm golden light filled the room with hope and excitement.
Standing together, they made a simple promise: to always stay united, no matter where life would lead them.
As the sun painted the sky with golden colors, the family returned home with unforgettable memories and joyful hearts. Their greatest treasure was never hidden in the chest. It was the love, laughter, and memories they shared together every single day.